Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Sorry, good evening. Ayan, late na ako late na tayo actually it's 10:26 in the evening here in the Philippines. Ayan, good evening to you. Good day, good vibes. It's a Sunday play game. So that it's because I'm too busy. Ayan, because I'm too busy. I'm so very busy right now. So let's make some fun and relax time for Sunday evening. It's 10:27 in the evening Sunday here in the Philippines. And so let's play here now our Paradise Island 2. Alright, so siguro yung iba nagtataka bakit nag-iiba ang schedule ng ating premiere in our games kasi medyo talagang busy lang talaga si host pero we will make some time to relax every Sunday. Ayan. So, marami tayong mga Sundays games which is late upload si host. Alright, so let's play now our Paradise Island. So, let's begin. Alright, so let's skip na lang ito. I-skip pa ba natin? So, wait lang ha. Okay, so hindi na natin siya i-skip. Alright, so let's, meron pa pala ito. Okay. Okay, oops. Okay, let's click this one. Then, claim reward tayo. Ayan, then collect natin siya. Okay. But before we, okay. So, let me fix. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko makita. Ay, Diyos me, Marimar. Tingnan natin to. Bakit ganito to? Okay, wait lang ha. Ayusin lang natin yung ating screen. Tama ba? Ay, mali. Wait lang ha. Ayusin natin. Hindi kasi nakikita yung friends. Hindi siya talaga nakikita. Oh. Nasa baba kasi. Ito siya oh. Kung nakikita ninyo tong ating cursor. Okay. This is cursor. Ayan. Itong gumagalaw-galaw. The name of this arrow is a cursor. Ayan. Cursor po yan. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Kung nakikita ninyo, no? Ito. Ayan. Itong gumagalaw-galaw na yan. Cursor po tawag dyan. Ayan. Okay. So, let's begin. Let's begin again. Alright, collect tayo. Okay, oops. Meron pala tayong complete the new season of the Sea Adventure. Meron pala tayo okay, check out pirate. Saan ba na kayo? Ay! Need more electricity pa daw. Ay! Diyos me, Malimar. Ito, ano ba to? Saan ba to? Saan pwede to? Ano ba? Wait. Before we muna. Dito muna. Nag-progress. Okay, nag-progress siya. Claim reward tayo. Then read the tournament F. Okay, let's go. Let's read this one. Okay, claim muna tayo ng reward. Alright. Okay. So, hindi na natin siya Actually, progress kagad siya. Okay. So, another goal. 20. Talk to the pirates 20 times. Ay, Diyos me, Marimar. 20 times. Ang dami na pala nating Teka, mag-ayos muna tayo ng ating mga wait. To pirates. 1, 2, 3, mali. 3, 4, mali. Ayan. Ito pa. Ayan yung mga ating mga goal. Another new goal. Mali. Okay. Talk to the pirates. Let's go. It's at 20 times. We need 20 times to talk to the pirates. Hi, wait. Okay, collect. Alright, what's this? Okay, achievements construction, and this one. Okay. Let's 11 pa lang. Another one. Kailangan natin siyang anuin. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tingnan natin tatang tama yung ating ano. Okay, let's see. Alright. Tingnan natin. Okay, so claim reward tayo. Okay. Trade with Captain Emilia. Quick start. Okay. Ito ba? Okay. Progress tayo. And then play the race minigame on the pirate yacht. Isa lang naman. Ito. Bago. Pirate yacht. May bago. Okay. Okay. So, wait lang. Okay, so let's go this. Click to play. May bago. Tatlo lang naman kailangan natin. So, let's okay. Tatlo lang naman. So, asan kaya? Ito. 1. Sana hindi tayo mataya. Tatlo lang naman kailangan natin. Alright, done. May bago. Wow, perfect. Okay, so let's go. Okay, claim reward tayo. Another one. Meron. Ito. Ano to? Check na pala yan. Okay na rin to. Ito. Complete daily quest. Okay. Ito. Kailangan natin to. Talk to the pirate again. Kailangan natin mag-talk to the pirate. Ilan ba dapat? Ilan ba dapat? Tingnan nga natin. Ka-39 pa lang ako. Okay, tingnan natin kung pwede pa. Let's go. Hindi na ata pwede. Hindi na nga. Alright, so siguro mas maganda. Okay, so meron tayong ano. Let's take a look at this one. Accept natin. Okay. Accept. Alright. Ano to? Gift. Thank you. And then accept this one. Okay, ito po, kung nakikita ninyo, no, itong gumagalaw, ito, okay, another one, ito, that is called cursor. Cursor po tawag dito. Tama ba ako, cursor? Alright, and okay. Oo, ang alam ko cursor tawag dito, or pointer, arrow pointer. Tama ba? As I remember my computer subject. Hindi ito cursor, sorry. This is a pointer. That is called a pointer. This is called pointer, arrow pointer. Ang cursor natin, okay, I will teach you some basic about it. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, what do you call this, as I mentioned earlier, that is called arrow pointer or pointer. If you Okay, this is okay. So let's see this one. Okay, like for example, this one. Yeah, that is called. This is cursor. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, wait lang. Ang tawag po dito, this is called a. Wait. Again. Okay, so dito tayo. Okay, wait lang ha. So, ayan. So, click natin ito. Okay. This is called a cursor. Kung nakikita ninyo, no? Okay, tingnan nga natin. Hindi ata nakikita dito sa ano natin. Anyway, dito to. Ayan. Itong nagbi-blink. Okay, this one, the blink, the item now is blinking is called a cursor. Okay. Okay, like for example, dito tayo. Okay. So, yung cursor, pagka okay, so ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan. Yung nagbi-blink, the one that blinking here is called a cursor. Ayan. Not even close. Pick a bigger number. Bigger number. So, let's guess this one. 25. Tingnan natin. Bigger daw. So, it's only 3 attempt lang kailangan kasi dito. Alright. So, ayan po. Okay, tingnan natin. So, wala na. Okay, dokie. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Mag-ano tayo ng ano. Okay. Put an empty slot into the empty slots. Let's put events here. Ayan. Okay. So, kung makikita ninyo, kung very late na talaga tayo no. Yeah, kasi marami tayong ginagawa. So, but anyway, I'll make sure that I will update you to my Abakina and Paradise Island. Okay, wait lang. Dami na nating ano. Okay, ano na natin to. Let's take a repair na. Ang dami na pala natin kailangan i-repair. Okay. So, ayan. Diba? Alright. Okay. Anyway, so, done na tayo dito. Ito. Let's, lucky boxes. Let's play a lucky boxes na. Okay. Meron pa ba? Ito. Free naman ito. Let's take a look this one. Okay. So, may empty pa ba? Wala na, no? Ay, ito pa pala, oh. Free. Okay. Ito. Ay, may natutulog pa. Wala nga. Okay. Alright, so thank you very much to you, to all of you and everyone. Next time again. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next update.